Seth at Sainsbury's sells... This is a good tongue twister for practicing the difference between th and s. Now both of these sounds are unvoiced. Both of these sounds are in your mouth. Th and s. With the first one, your tongue is just on the bottom of your front teeth. Th. And the second one, your tongue is more relaxed, not touching your teeth. S. So the second one for most people is probably easier to say. Let's try the tongue twister. We'll take it slowly and then we'll do it a bit faster so you can practice it. Seth at Sainsbury's sells thick socks. 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 So the hardest part here is the change between s, th, and s again. S, th, s, s, th, s. Sells thick socks. Sells thick socks. Sells thick socks. S, th, s, s, th, s, s, th, s. Sells thick socks. Sells thick socks. Seth at Sainsbury's sells thick socks. Seth at Sainsbury's sells thick socks. So when you go from s to th, your tongue comes forward and just touches the bottom of your front teeth. Thick, thick, thick. Sells thick socks. Okay, now you try that one. Like the video, share it with your friends, and go to anglopod.com to take an English course online with me. Good luck, keep practicing, and I'll see you soon.